Tell me top 3 skills which students need to have to succeed.
Coders will not be required anymore. You are hearing about lays off.
How did you start? And the first primary question is, what is ed tech?
जितना आपको जरूरत थी सीखने के लिए 4 बार में, maybe somebody can learn it with just one hit.
But the basics will remain the same. How will you change the basics of it?
3 ऐसे सेक्टर जहाँ पे सबसे ज्यादा आगे रिक्वायरमेंट आने वाली है and one should definitely take care of.
Okay.
In our country, MBA has become just like an excuse of not being well done.
जय हिंद व्यूअर्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? I am in Ahmedabad with a very special friend and a guest today for the Apex Conversations, and he is Mr. Ratik Gupta, a young budding entrepreneur of 26 years of age, bubbling with energy, fit, and he runs My Equation. He is the founder and CEO, and like I've told you before, मैंने आप लोगों को बताया, मुझे young people, young entrepreneurs, I really resonate with them. मुझे उनसे बात करना बहुत अच्छा लगता है. And this is a guy who is in front of me as a young CEO of EdTech company. And I welcome him to the Apex Conversation, and I'm missing my brother Vihan. He is not here with us today and shooting in Ahmedabad. So Ratik, welcome to Apex Conversations. And tell me, you are 26 years of age.
Correct.
And you run a company which has got 65 employees.
Correct.
And you have 2 offices. One in Ahmedabad और एक आपका ऑफिस पुणे में है.
जी.
Tell me how you do all this at such young age. I am also into entrepreneurship. I find it very difficult. आप कैसे करते हो? How did you start? What was a journey? और सबसे पहले जब आप शुरू करो, मुझे ये बताओ, ये edtech, skill tech, what are these? ये platforms क्या हैं? edtech क्या होता है? Just tell me the basics, because a lot of the viewers are young and they would really like to know about it and most importantly benefit from it. So what is EdTech? How did your journey start? How are you managing this company? And welcome to the show. Yeah.
Thank you so much. First of all, really obliged to be part of this setup.
Oh,
Thanks
Yeah.
Apex for giving this opportunity.
Yeah.
And आपने जो questions पूछे, they have 2 parts.
Yeah. Two
One
parts.
about my journey, about what we are doing as of now, and why specifically
And
EdTech and
also,
what
how did you
EdTech
start?
is.
How did you start? And the first primary question is, what is EdTech?
Okay. The 2 of the questions have one answer, which is my journey of my last 5 years
Okay.
that I've experienced personally.
Yeah.
I have taken BTech course in my SRM Institute of Science and Technology 5 years back, and I had just one idea in my mind कि भैया मुझे इंजीनियरिंग करनी है क्योंकि मुझे कोडिंग नहीं आती है. 11th-12th में मैंने जब कंप्यूटर साइंस का प्रोग्राम लिया था, सब्जेक्ट लिया था, आई रियलाइज्ड कि ये कुछ हिब्रूइश जिब्रिश लैंग्वेज है, some alphabets, and they're not making sense of it.
Okay.
And I decided very clearly, since my father is mechanical engineer, I decided very clearly that I want to be an engineer too, but not computer science engineer, where the world and everybody is going around.
Okay.
As soon as I got to college, first year, I went into electronics engineering. 2 years down, I took part in many activities, many social gatherings, many engagements. And suddenly COVID happened. And everything still got shut down, again got shut down.
Okay.
कुछ हमारे पास अपस्किलमेंट करने का मौका नहीं था, हम कुछ भी एक्टिविटीज नहीं कर पा रहे थे. Because when you go to a college, you just don't go for a degree. You also go for learning the exposure. You also go for learning different aspects of education.
Yeah.
Which I consider are more important than just the theoretical part.
Okay.
ये अब कुछ भी नहीं हो पा रहा था कोविड के टाइम पे, एंड ऑल ऑफ अस वर गेटिंग बोर्ड एट आवर हाउसेस. कुछ लोग दाल और चावल को अलग कर रहे थे, कुछ लोग योगा सीख रहे थे, बहुत सारे D2C ब्रांड्स ने लेवरेज किया इस सिचुएशन को, एंड दिस इज व्हाट समथिंग हैपेंड टू अस आल्सो. आई स्टार्टेड रियलाइजिंग दैट the kind of education that we are getting, the kind of techniques that are followed in our colleges, schools are not somewhat streamlined or even if they are, they're not targeting the exact people of their requirements. मेरा कहने का तात्पर्य यह है, if I'm an electronics engineer, ideally मैंने जब 4 साल पहले एडमिशन लिया, मैं ये चाहूँगा कि मैं किसी इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियरिंग कंपनी के ही अंदर जाऊँ, either being into a job sector or maybe doing masters abroad in same specific complementing field. But this is not the reality, which I'll disclose later. Cutting this short, I realized that education has a very big gap. The practicality and the theoretical aspects have lot of gap in terms of implementation, in terms of realizing what you are learning from.
So
And-
are you questioning the education system of the country, or you are saying कि there is divergence, यानी कि वो path अलग है, theory, practical? In your opinion, is there a gap? Do you think, are you saying that? Look, I will make it much more easier for you. What I learned in my graduation, it had nothing to do with what I did in the armed forces. Because subjects, firing are totally different. थोड़ा क्या 0% होगा. मैं तो आर्ट्स ग्रेजुएट था. सो मेरा वो जो मैंने सीखा और अपना टेस्ट क्लियर करने के काम आया, उसके बाद देयर वाज नथिंग विच आई अप्लाइड इट. इवन आई वाज अ हिस्ट्री स्टूडेंट इन कॉलेज, बट मिलिट्री हिस्ट्री इज टोटली डिफरेंट. Okay, so what I am coming to and what I am asking you, do you say that theory in our, specifically in engineering, theory and practical, you are totally diverse? Yani it is not aligned. Are you saying that?
Partially, yes.
Okay.
Since it's going
Explain.
to be, I'll still complete the first question that you asked for about EdTech and then
Okay.
move to it, because the point is you will not be able to relate this much, because since I am from engineering background and I think a lot of people who are from engineering background can relate to this. This something happened about the implementation part, जो gap है, and a lot of players like Byju's, a lot of EdTech players. EdTech stands for education and technology.
Technology, yeah.
Leveraging the educational practices with the aid and help of technology. Technology as in at your ease. घर पे बैठे बैठे आप एक मेंटर से सीख रहे हो, that can turn into a technology. आपने एक उसके ऊपर पोर्टल बना दिया, एक मास्किंग दे दी उसको, एंड इंटरफेस दे दिया, that's experience. This is what EdTech ideally on a holistic nature does. This is what EdTech means. But if you ask what EdTech actually is changing the entire orthodox patterns of the way of learning that you have had as of now.
Okay.
जरूरी नहीं है कि पहले गुरुकुल में जिस प्रकार से पढ़ाई होती थी लाठी मार मार के, आज भी वैसी जरूरत है. The basic IQ of people who are taking birth later and later in this country, in this planet, on this planet, are getting a better IQ stands. तो जितना आपको जरूरत थी सीखने के लिए 4 बार में, maybe somebody can learn it with just one hit at today's time. So what is happening is the education system also has to be changed. I am referring to your second part. It is not aligned, one.
Okay.
Second, it is not getting updated. Rather, I would want to emphasize on not getting updated.
Okay.
The curriculum that my father learnt upon, the policies, the amendments are currently also getting practiced in many tier 2 and tier 3 cities. Well, I cannot say tier 1 into this because a lot of private colleges are changing this scenario. But this is what is happening.
But the basics will remain the same. How will you change the basics of?
Okay.
Like I will give you an example out of warfare. All यानी जितनी tactics थी और technology majority World War II जब हुई from 1939 to 1945, अगर आप हमारी मिलिट्री में अगर LMG बंकर को हमें पकड़ना है, दुश्मन के एक लाइट मशीन गन बंकर को पकड़ना है, तो जो 1941 में 1942 में जब नॉर्मैंडी 43-44 में जब नॉर्मैंडी लैंडिंग्स हुई थी, तो जो उसकी टैक्टिक्स 1944 में थी 2025 में भी सेम है. बेसिक्स ऑफ वॉरफेयर हैव नॉट चेंज्ड. सिमिलरली मैं जब इससे कॉरलरी ड्रॉ करता हूं तो मैं आपको वही बोल रहा हूं जो आपके फादर ने बेसिक्स इंजीनियरिंग के, मैकेनिकल इंजीनियरिंग के पढ़े, वही आप पढ़ रहे हो. तो डू यू वांट टू से यू वांट टू चेंज द बेसिक्स और बेसिक्स will change or something else you are saying?
Well, we both are on the same page.
Yeah.
We don't want to change the basics.
Okay.
But we need to change the gears that you are currently wearing.
Absolutely.
I hope that, we are on the same page.
Yeah, that's okay.
The way a lot of F1 drivers keep on saying that this car can now not go any further. Your equipments that you have reached to a threshold.
Yeah.
I feel that technological aids that
They
are
can
there in the
increase.
college have reached to their threshold, to their pinnacle of their age, of their era, and cannot go any further. The
Okay.
way of implementation of those basics have to be changed. That is something which college needs to realize very soon. We have faced our hard time amount of time with dealing with a lot of HODs, faculties, lot of people who are not able to understand this, and sooner did they realize a lot of private education sectors, a lot of private institutes are taking leverages of this early advantages.
Okay.
People are shifting their mindset from being a typical degree based education and deviating towards skill based education.
Absolutely.
That is where the movement of India is going towards.
Okay.
And I would rather call it, this is not the era of edtech, it's rather a skill tech, and that's what we do at My Equation. We
Okay.
are trying to embark those skill sets, we're trying to embark those techniques, maybe those implementations which help them be war ready at the current stage of time, at current situations.
तो नाउ अब आपने दो टर्म्स मेरे को सिखाई हैं. आपने एड टेक को स्किल टेक में कन्वर्ट कर दिया है. आपका कहने का मतलब है, विच आई रियली बिलीव यू आर राइट, आप चाहे एड टेक करो स्किल टेक करो, इन दोनों को प्लस कर दो, इज इक्वल टू शुड बी अ पर्सन शुड बी एबल टू गेट अ जॉब. बिकॉज जॉब्स एट द एंड, मैं जितनी मर्जी पढ़ाई कर लूं, इफ आई एम नॉट गेटिंग अ जॉब और आई एम नॉट इंप्रूविंग, मैं अपने स्किल्स इंप्रूव कर लेता हूं एक लेवल तक, लेकिन अगर मुझे नौकरी ना मिले तो फिर उसका उस स्किल का फायदा क्या है. यानी कि आप जब आप माय इक्वेशन को आप इस्टेब्लिश किया, आपने सब कुछ किया, मेरा क्वेश्चन आप पे यही है, एड टेक हो गया, आपने स्किल टेक स्किल अपस्किलिंग की, so you are taking them closer to the job. Are you doing that at the end of the day?
Absolutely. The fact that we are telling about skills would be a hypocritic people if we are not providing them the end goal. I would not just break it down into jobs. I would rather call it कि हम आपके हाथों में ऐसी पावर दे देते हैं, ऐसी शक्तियां दे देते हैं कि you decide the verdict of the war. You decide the verdict of your career. You want to
Okay.
take it for jobs, or you want to maybe start something of your own. We make you enable enough that you can decide for your own, but not the people around you, that what you need to do in the career,
Okay.
of the specific implementations of skills that you have learned from us. In our specific case, if I talk about some niche, mechanical, mechatronics, electrical, we have been trying to aware the audience that the world is shifting toward robotics.
Okay.
The world is shifting towards artificial intelligence. And if we do not take them into the consideration, if we do not accept these things, we will be left behind. The bubble that we had few years back of CSE, हर इंसान
is
के
that?
computer science,
Computer science,
engineering,
sorry.
CSE stands for
CSE. Yeah.
yeah.
Okay.
This was a bubble that I went through.
Okay.
Everybody around me, in my neighbor, मेरे मम्मी को बोलते थे लोग कि बेट इसको CSE कराओ, इसको कंप्यूटर साइंस कराओ, इसको कंप्यूटर साइंस कराओ, because that was getting super impositioned. I did never wanted to learn computer science. I never wanted to learn coding. And sooner do you realize that there are so many AI models, there are so many technologies, there are so many portals जहाँ पे अब कोडिंग लुप्त होती जा रही है धीरे धीरे, and coders will not be required anymore. You are hearing about lays off from multiple big MNCs, Infosys, TCS, Wipro, Amazon, all of them. This is all happening because they settled and got comfortable at the ease that they thought of. What I'm saying is, at My Equation, I don't just give you skill sets, but I also tell you where the trend is moving towards. We are trying to update our curriculum, we are trying to update our personal skill set offerings every month, not even every year. Because we are seeing that the world is shifting a lot. What the world has changed in last 10 years, it even did not change in last 100 years. If you agree
Okay.
on that.
Yeah. Yeah.
This is we are trying to
And how is, once you say कि the world is shifting and आप अपने students को बता रहे हो, you are educating them and also upskilling them ki where the trend is going. So is that a basic difference between my equation and, because there might be, how many tech or skill tech companies are there in the country?
Probably more than 2,000, 3,000 of them.
3,000. So what makes my equation
Stand
different
apart.
different from the other edtech companies?
Well, I don't know much about the inner nitty-gritties of their business model.
No, but you might have done some kind of comparison.
Yes, yes.
So your niche
What-
might be something different.
What I can say is that what we do differently, or maybe what we do, is something we try to analyze this pattern about the neighboring developing countries, about how China is working upon this, how other Western countries are working upon this. Let me give you an analogy of weaponry. I have read your podcast and I've gone through much of your conversation that you do, and you're very much supportive about why not we can build entire ammunition here in India. Every part that is required should be made in India so that we are not dependent on external countries.
Absolutely.
Similarly, what is happening is that we all do know that कि हमें robotics सीखना है, AI सीखना है, but when it comes to mentorship, we look West as our mentors. We learn on their robotics. We learn on the equipments that they have. What we do is that we did this thorough market research and understood that majority of these countries are actually getting a lot of funds, a lot of room for doing R&D, a lot of space for getting failures. In India, because of the population factor, हमारे पास फेल होने के चांसेस एंड टाइम बहुत कम है. द कॉम्पिटिशन इज सो हाई अमंग
के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं कि
फेल होने के चांसेस ज्यादा हैं, लेकिन टाइम जो हमें मिलता है वो बहुत कम है. in about number of attempts that we can do to get fail, that we have very much less because we have very limited opportunities available. What is happening is that in our developing countries, government, diplomats and other people have given a very much breathing space, cushion space of people exploring multiple factors, because of which research जो उन्होंने 10-15 साल पहले करी थी वो आज जाके results लेके आ रही है. You're seeing some countries, you're seeing some companies doing this, like ISRO, our country's very own space research center organization is doing so, and they have been given sheer amount of time. Where I am leading towards is, हमने ये पैटर्न एनालाइज करते हैं, हम ये मार्केट रिसर्च बहुत ट्रिमेंडसली करते हैं कि कौन सी कंपनी किस स्टेज पे क्या कर रही है, एंड इवन कंट्रीज आर डूइंग, एंड वी रियलाइज दैट दिस इज वेयर द वर्ल्ड इज मूविंग टुवर्ड्स, जस्ट लाइक अ डोमिनिक इफेक्ट. We are not following a specific nation or specific companies, but rather a holistic approach where robotics and AI is leading towards. And bringing back to your question, this is how we make our curriculum. This is how we make it on trend basis rather than orthodox theoretical basis. What is the demand in the country?
Basically unconventional approach.
Unconventional approach.
Okay. And okay, generally I've got a fair bit of idea, but tell me the first part where we went, as a young man, why did you choose to become an entrepreneur? What was the reason for that? Yeah, that is my favorite question. I generally ask people because I hardly see risk takers in my life. मैंने जो लोग ज़्यादा रिस्क लेते हैं वो देखा नहीं, especially at young age. And you are, आपने वो रिस्क लिया है, you have done that thing, you have become an entrepreneur directly. Did you ever do a job?
6 months.
6 months you did a job. Okay,
Yeah.
that's I would say like a internship ही होगी वो.
Yes.
So tell me, what was your journey like being an entrepreneur? Why did you choose to become an entrepreneur?
The truth is, actually I never wanted to.
Okay.
This was never in my mind to become an entrepreneur. In just third year, I realized that I need to go abroad. The way our brain wirings were getting done in the colleges, because I realized in the third year itself कि भाई मेरा कुछ नहीं होने वाला है. I need to actually go for masters abroad for complementing the skill sets that I have done. And suddenly COVID happened again, as I mentioned you.
Yeah.
This was a time कि जब बाहर के एंट्रीज बंद हो चुकी थी और सारी चीजें वर्चुअल आ चुकी थी. Even the degrees that you wanted from going outside abroad have started getting circulated online basis पे. देन आई रियलाइज कि बाहर जाने का तो कोई फायदा ही नहीं है. अगर मैं वो सेम चीज एट माई ईज मेरे बेडरूम से सीख रहा हूँ तो फायदा क्या है. देन केम द सेकेंड क्वेश्चन, why the hell even I am doing this? And that hit me very hard to understand. This is not just my mindset, but a lot of people's mindset. Either they will go for jobs which are not aligned with their, degrees,
Yeah.
because उनको वो employment issues हैं, employability issues हैं. Secondly, अगर चलो उनको job नहीं करनी है, they choose masters as an option. In our country, MBA has become just like an excuse of not being villa, not being ideal in houses. We choose for masters abroad. This was my fundamentals also. I started this into a community. I collected a bunch of like-minded people around me and got to know, is this something really on a bigger scale that is happening? Found like-minded people, started working upon this into a community. हमने रिसर्च पेपर्स निकालने शुरू करवाए, हमने लोगों को हेल्प करी रिसर्च पेपर बनवाने में, फ्री गिग्स, वेबिनार्स, बूट कैंप्स लेने शुरू किए, एंड स्लोली आई रियलाइज्ड दैट आई नीड सम मोटिवेशन टू कीप कंटिन्यूइंग. एंड बीइंग वेरी ऑनेस्ट, द बिगेस्ट immediate motivation is money to function, the fuel that is required to run your families, run your houses. Because I'm not doing a NGO, and neither I am pretty much very much aligned with the ideology of becoming an NGO.
Okay.
So I was clear कि जो भी मैं कर रहा हूँ, it should have a end result in turning into monetization model as well. Not losing the fact that we want to prioritize our target audience, we want to leverage them, we want to technically support them, but yes, the end goal had to be money. So this happens slowly, and I believe a lot of founders and entrepreneurs will be on the same page, that the stage that they are today, they never thought of being there, or maybe if not thought of, decided to be there, which transited in the journey of doing so.
Okay.
You start getting clearer vision when you are on the path. I mean, we all have heard कि एक सपना देख लो और सपने वो देखो जो रातों को नहीं बट दिन में आते हैं, खुली आंखों से आते हैं. That is all fair. But in this journey of doing so, you get more clearer and clearer. This is never the fact. And what drives me today is that I realize that this problem is not limited and it's a global problem, not anymore a nation's problem. We have started receiving prospects, mentees, onboarding on our programs who are from UAE, Middle Eastern countries, Singapore, Malaysia, our neighboring countries around, in Pan-Asiatic countries. So we realize that problem is not just of India, but it's a global level problem. And this is what is motivating me to become better entrepreneur every day.
But the journey of an entrepreneur, what are the major lessons learned from your side? यानी कि how was it? Did you get some money? You went to investors, somebody invested money, your father gave you some money. यानी आपको किसी ने support किया, कैसे support किया? What does, if a viewer जिसने entrepreneur बनना है, because a lot of people who are very young are part of this, यानी my followers. If somebody wants to become an entrepreneur, how should he start? यानी शुरू कैसे? Germination of idea तो ठीक है कि एक आइडिया है कि मैं करूँगा. सो हाउ डिड यू ट्रांसफॉर्म फ्रॉम ग्रास रूट्स? शुरू कैसे हुआ, यानी फ्रॉम बिल्कुल आइडिया से, उसके बाद आपने कैसे स्ट्रगल किया, कैसे फेलियर्स आए, कैसे आप मूव किए, कैसे अपस्किल किया, एंड वेयर यू आर नाउ? काइंडली टेल अस हाउ डिड यू डू दैट?
फेयर देखिए, मैं स्टार्टअप मेंटर तो नहीं हूँ, मैं अगर आपको ऑनेस्टली बोलूँ, and probably my approach might not be suitable for a lot of founders, but I've learned one thing in this.
Okay, you tell me about the approach. Yeah, tell me.
Yep. I've learned one thing in this journey of mine in last 5 years of running this startup. Nobody's gonna help you around.
Yeah,
You have to find your own way.
Yes.
और आपको अपना खुद का मत्था बॉडी मारनी पड़ेगी.
Yeah, there is no problem.
There's nobody who's gonna be there. There are people who will act as catalysts of your equation, of the reaction that you're working upon. There will be external factors which will be supporting how fast this reaction goes. There will be people who will be telling you what to do, what not to do. But in the end, you have to do this. I hope this is very much clear to
Yeah.
all of us.
Okay.
My initial 2 years, I had a very hard time dealing with my family. My parents were not that great supporters, who are my biggest cheerleader today when I started this, because my family comes from a typical employee mindset. And me even putting a opinion of running a startup, back then startup was not even a thing. ये अभी बस शार्क टैंक के बाद से एक बहुत बड़ी वेव आई है. People start feeling startup is cool. इससे पहले I want to start something of my own was a phase. मुझे खुद का कुछ करना है. हम ऐसे बोलते थे. I said this to my father. His reaction was very cold. He did not paid much attention to this and let me waved off his hand and I mean do what you want to do. Since it was COVID, again I got lucky. So founders' success building a startup are into multiple factors. I don't know how many people will agree to this, but I believe luck is also a very big factor
It is.
in what you do.
Yeah.
Doing right thing at right time plays a very crucial, foundation of what you are building to.
Yeah.
मैंने ये 0 पैसे से शुरू किया था 2 साल तक, and I turned this gig into a profitable monetizing work. Then got support from some investors in this journey. One of my very good friend, my batchmate, and also the person I worked with, Mr. Dhanush Tumalla, supported me in this journey. He believed in the vision. He thought that what we're doing is something really going to change the game, and is where he also put in money
Okay.
in this journey. The reason of why founders actually raise money is to increase the speed of this reaction.
Yeah.
What you can achieve in next 3 years, maybe you can achieve with the power of the money, leverage of the money in next 3 months.
Okay.
That is what I believe. If you have a strategy, must say that, not burning foolishly, and slowly transitioning and evolving to know what you are doing. अगर आप मेरा message पूछेंगे to all the entrepreneurs, what is in it for them from me, take away from my side, you really have to sacrifice a lot. When I'm sitting here today and I'm comfortable to express what I have gone through 5 years, well, I was not comfortable before 5 years, but I feel that there are people who can learn from my journey because I am in the journey of making it. There might be few people who can relate to this and get inspired maybe, is that you really need to be very much open for a lot of sacrifices. रातों का नींद, दिन का चैन, सब छोड़ना पड़ सकता है. हो सकता है कि आपको बहुत महीने महीने फ्रेंड्स से बात करने का मौका ना मिले, एंड मे बी यू लूज अ लॉट ऑफ फ्रेंड्स इन दिस जर्नी. हो सकता है कि योर लव वन स्टार्ट लूजिंग ट्रस्ट इन यू, फेथ इन यू इन द जर्नी, कि तू कर क्या रहा है भाई, हमें बता दे. And nobody is getting a sense of what you're doing. But one thing is for sure, if you're consistent enough, if you have given all in, just like Arnold Schwarzenegger, there should be no plan B. I'm of that follower. I only have plan A, and some or the other way it has to work out.
Oh.
Take decision. अगर right नहीं है तो make it right. Work on making it right. That is what my mindset is.
Yeah, I can correlate, but I am a different mindset. But then we will not discuss my mindset. So, the important thing which you said was, एक तो vision होनी चाहिए. You need to have a vision, and then thereafter, do you find an idea good or execution better? What is your take on that?
Execution 100%.
So you are an executioner.
Yes, I would say yes, completely yes. All the biggest ideas and all the biggest business are boring. Be it Reliance, be it Aramco, Saudi Aramco, be it Amazon, they were not the first player to do what they are doing. It is very little about idea, but 99% in my definition, in my dictionary, is about execution.
Execution, yeah.
Elon Musk inspires me of. There should be minimum gap between planning and execution. The day I realized this, the actual growth of my startup and my personality started happening. Don't just keep ideating and not finding proper time to execute it, or just execute anything without planning. That is what I would not want to. I did hear some difference in our opinion when I mentioned
Yeah.
about plan A and plan B.
Yeah, I am a plan B kind of a guy.
Yeah.
So
I
the point which I will emphasize, you are right what you're saying. I will emphasize is that my plan A, suppose when I quit army, was always to become an entrepreneur only. That has never deviated. But where I started and what I wanted to do and what I am doing now, those options A, B, C have changed. And it has changed for good or bad. I really don't know as of now. But then the plan A of life was always to become an entrepreneur. I was never in double doubts about that कि entrepreneur नहीं बन पाया तो फिर नौकरी कर लूंगा. वो मेरा भी सिस्टम नहीं था. तो I stuck with the basics of becoming an entrepreneur. So my plan A was always entrepreneur. But down the line, like Arnold Schwarzenegger started as a bodybuilder, but he was a very famous Hollywood actor.
he turned into
You understanding?
Yes.
So those things are taking him from so plan A was always entrepreneur, but then the options came, social media, influencing, doing certain things, getting to know what, because हमेशा थोड़ा सा टाइम लगता है आपको जानने में, विच यू विल रेजोनेट कि आप क्या करना चाहते हो, लेकिन आप इस चीज में भी अच्छे हो और मार्केट लाइक इट्स अ प्रोडक्ट मार्केट फिट और फाइंडिंग दैट काइंड ऑफ थिंग. सो यू माइट हैव स्टार्टेड इनटू एडटेक, यू माइट हैव डाइवर्सिफाइड, यू माइट हैव अंडरस्टूड कि ये वाला चीज है, ये ऐसे करना है. सो माय पॉइंट इज कि प्लान ए वाज ऑलवेज द सेम, बट देन ऑप्शंस केम अलोंग. Options came along.
I have just one thing to add to this.
Yeah.
I consider that if you have done enough amount of thorough research, enough amount of planning of the strategy, how you're gonna implement it,
Yeah.
I believe that you can hit the bullseye at the first attempt.
Yeah, you can. Yeah, you can.
That is what my.
So, did you
thinking
hit
is.
the bullseye in your case?
I am.
You are hitting. You have hit.
We have to hit constantly.
Okay.
It's not one.
नहीं, it's not one. But then, जो आपने सोचा था, जो आपने आइडिएट किया था, जो प्लान बनाया था, you followed it in planning, ideation, and execution.
We are constantly doing that. The answer would be, we are constantly doing that. Not one time.
Okay, Ritik, tell me one thing. मेरे को एक चीज बताओ. हमारे ये क्वेश्चन मेरे दिमाग में बहुत सा है. वी हैव, यानी कि 500 मिलियन लोग हैं इंडिया में जो क्वालिफाइड हैं, एजुकेशनली क्वालिफाइड, वेल क्वालिफाइड एंड स्किल्ड. अगर मैं क्वालिफाइड और एजुकेशनली क्वालिफाइड बोलता हूं तो यानी स्किल्ड हैं, बट दे आर नो जॉब्स फॉर देम. यानी कुछ दिन पहले मैं न्यूज़पेपर में पढ़ रहा था, फॉर इन यूपी, for a post of, I think so, 4,000 policemen, there were 15 or 20 lakh applicants. I don't remember the यानी correct figure, but 15 से 20 लाख 4,000 पोस्ट्स के लिए लोग कर रहे थे. सो क्वालिफिकेशन, एजुकेशन की तो कमी है नहीं. Why is this unemployment rampant in our country? यानी कि where is the gap आपके हिसाब से? Because you are into edtech, you are an entrepreneur, आप देखते हो, आप अपना डाटा कलेक्ट करते हो, because how does this percolate down? ये यानी कि unemployment क्यों है in your opinion? Tell me about that.
प्रॉब्लम स्किल डेवलपमेंट की नहीं है, प्रॉब्लम है अवेयरनेस की.
Awareness. Okay.
Employment and employability are two different things. Employment मतलब बेरोजगारी या रोजगारी.
Okay.
Employability are the skill sets, awareness, and bunch of different things which gets you employment.
Absolutely.
These are the gears that you need to carry always with you to go on the mission the way. Similarly, these are the skill sets, aptitude, personalities, nature, gestures that you should have during the employment.
Okay.
As you have mentioned about वो यूपी का पुलिस का भर्ती होने वाला सिचुएशन,
Yeah.
मैंने भी एनडी का एग्जाम दिया था जब मैं अपने 10 स्टैंडर्ड का
आई थिंक सो सारे लड़के एक बार ही एनडीए तो दे ही
देते
Yeah,
हैं
देते हैं.
देते हैं। और मैंने भी ऐसे बहुत सारी वीडियोस देखी थी कि एसएसबी क्लियर करने के लिए एक सर्किट होता है एंड देयर आर चैलेंजेस। यू नीड टू रन 5 किलोमीटर्स अंडर 30 मिनट्स।
Not in
One of-
SSB, but then yeah, there is a 5-day test. Yeah, you can call it.
सम ऑफ दोज एक्टिविटीज जहाँ पे एक बॉल पक चीजें होती हैं जो आपको अचीव करनी होती हैं।
हाँ जी.
छाती इतनी फूलनी ही चाहिए एंड देयर आर सम क्राइटेरियाज एंड लिमिटेशंस। सिमिलरली एवरीवेयर पीपल कीप अप्लाइंग। इंडिया की आबादी ही इतनी ज्यादा है कि आपको ये नंबर हर जगह बड़ा ही दिखेगा, बट द रियलिटी समथिंग डिफरेंट। यू मेंशन व्हाट 500 मिलियन। ये इजी है एक न्यूज़पेपर में छापना, ये आसान है सरकार का प्रोपोगेंडा आगे सर्कुलेट करवाना, बट हाउ मेनी ऑफ देम एक्चुअली आर एबल टू क्रॉस अ थ्रेशोल्ड इज बिग क्वेश्चन। उसका अवेयरनेस होना उससे बड़ा क्वेश्चन है कि थ्रेशोल्ड है क्या। जिस प्रकार से बहुत सारे एंट्रेंस टेस्ट में आपको लिमिटेशंस पता लग जाती हैं, आपको पता लग जाता है कि क्या थ्रेशोल्ड है और क्या नहीं है, क्या क्राइटेरियाज हैं एलिजिबिलिटी के, क्या नहीं है। इंजीनियरिंग सेक्टर में और स्पेसिफिकली स्टेम एजुकेशन, हायर एजुकेशन में बहुत मुश्किल है आपको आइडेंटिफाई करना, क्योंकि कोई सर्टेन सेट ऑफ एसओपीज नहीं है। दे आर नॉट सर्टेन सेट ऑफ गाइडलाइंस कि आपको ये करना ही आना चाहिए, करते ही आना चाहिए, तभी आप वो क्वालिफाई कर सकते हैं। कंपनीज की डिमांड एवर सिंस चेंज होती जा रही है। मैंने जैसे आपको मेंशन किया था पहले कि वर्ल्ड हैज चेंज इन 10 years, प्रोबेबली फास्टर देन इट हैपेंड इन लास्ट 100 years। कंपनीज की रिक्वायरमेंट हर साल हर महीने चेंज होती जा रही है एंड ये कोई वो फर्मा जारी नहीं कर रहे हैं पूरे कंट्री के अंदर कि अब हमको इस टाइप की रोल्स चाहिए, इस टाइप की स्किल सेट्स उन्हें आनी चाहिए। ये हो रहा है हिट एंड ट्रायल मेथड से। दे आर रीचिंग टू मोर एंड मोर पीपल रीचिंग देम। और जो जस्ट लाइक टिंडर जो एक्चुअल मैच है जहाँ पे ये मैच कर जाता है, दे गेट सेलेक्टेड इन दिस। मैं आपको बताना क्या चाह रहा हूं, जो ये अवेयरनेस का इशू है, इट कैन नॉट बी सॉल्व बाय जस्ट एजुकेशन इंस्टीट्यूट्स, इट कैन नॉट जस्ट बी सॉल्व बाय रिलीजिंग द इंफॉर्मेशन फ्रॉम कंपनीज परस्पेक्टिव। इट इज समथिंग दैट स्टूडेंट इन देयर whatever stage they are have to be self aware about। उनको कॉन्स्टेंटली रेगुलरली पैटर्न्स ट्रेंड के बारे में सर्च करना ही पड़ेगा। दैट इज व्हाट आई एम रेफरिंग टू।
Okay. So
एट
okay. Now tell me anything else you want to do.
एट दिस स्टेज आपको स्मार्ट बनना पड़ेगा। एट दिस स्टेज आपने बस कुछ चीज़ें मगअप कर ली, सीख ली और आपको लग रहा है कि आपका प्लेसमेंट हो जाएगा, आपको जॉब मिल जाएगी, तो इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन। इट इज़ नॉट एनी मोर दोज डेज कि आपने बस एक डिग्री ले ली और डिग्री ले ली और डिग्री के बेसिस पे आपको कॉलेज में या किसी इंडस्ट्री में जॉब मिल जाएगी। इट्स नॉट गोना हैपन एनी मोर। कॉम्पिटिशन इज इंक्रीजिंग, द इनटेक ऑफ बीटेक पीपल आर इंक्रीजिंग एवरी ईयर।
Yeah.
जब मैंने स्टार्टअप शुरू किया था तब 24 lakhs था। आज की तारीख में लास्ट ईयर इट वाज 32.8 lakh पीपल अप्लाइंग फॉर बीटेक एंड बैचलर ऑफ इंजीनियरिंग
Across the country.
across the country in just India. The competition is increasing, awareness is not.
So that is the problem why unemployment persists. Now, जो आपने आंसर दिया, मैं उससे सेकंड क्वेश्चन पे आता हूँ। इट मीन्स जो हमारा एजुकेशन सिस्टम है, द ट्रेडिशनलिस्ट और जो हम लोग पढ़ते आए हैं, उसमें डू यू थिंक some changes needs to be done? Because awareness create तो अगर आप बचपन से ही कर दोगे किसी के लाइफ में from a very young age, it is always better he knows what is happening. So are you questioning that the traditional system of teaching is little bit flawed? यानी वो गलत है. We need to change the traditional system of education.
Not really.
Okay.
What needs to be changed is the implementation process, the way of operating those traditional aspects. आज की तारीख में भी हम भी त्योहार बनाते हैं, बट उनको मनाने का तरीका अलग हो चुका है। We still believe in the principles of why Dussehra is celebrated, but later do you realize कि significance और celebration बिल्कुल अलग हो चुका है। Similarly, tradition way of education still has to be followed, which is the foundation, but the way of implementing them has to be changed.
Okay.
And this leads towards my point of view towards faculties HODs and all the people who are running this, they need to be updated. I might get in trouble after saying this,
No, there's no trouble.
but I feel that faculties needs to be trained more harder. They needs to also have mentorship program the way students require, so they know what is happening. Apparently, a lot of them do not know what is happening in the country.
They are not current. Yani
They are not
current,
updated.
updated with the what is happening in the country
Absolutely,
or in the technology sector or whatever it is.
100%.
Okay, I will take that. Tell me, because majority जो viewers हैं are very young and they need to have some career options. In your opinion, because you seem to be a domain expert who has done this kind of work and who is into skill tech, tell me top 3 skills which students need to have to succeed to get. My basic thing है कि नौकरी मिल जाए उनको. Top 3 skills they should invest right now in their professional life which they should acquire according to you. Top 3 skills.
मैं स्किल सेट्स पे ज़्यादा फोकस ना करते हुए आपको सेक्टर पहले बताना चाहूँगा. 3 ऐसे सेक्टर जहाँ पे सबसे ज़्यादा आगे रिक्वायरमेंट आने वाली है एंड वन शुड डेफिनेटली टेक केयर ऑफ.
Okay.
नंबर 1, प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग.
Prompt engineering.
प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग. सेकंड,
Explain.
ओके, सो
I have heard it the term. I am not an engineering background, but मैंने उसको पहली बार सुना. आप बताइए prompt engineering क्या है?
you must have heard about AI at least.
Yeah, AI.
There are so many LLM models, there are so many AI models
Yeah.
which have taken care, and a lot of basic jobs which we used to do, they have taken care of them.
Absolutely.
But they are still not appropriate and they are still not optimized. हमको अभी भी humans चाहिए उनके साथ interact करने के लिए, उनको better data देने के लिए,
हाँ जी.
उनको better feeds देने के लिए.
Okay.
It is nothing but interaction with AI and model. Just don't reinvent the wheel. It is that model.
That
एक
is
बार
prompt
पहिया-
engineering.
हाँ जी, आपको prompt देते रहना है, वो better answer देते जाएगा, वो most optimum path और आपको better information देगा जिसमें आपको सदियां, दिन, घंटे लग सकते हैं.
Okay.
At your ease.
Okay. First is prompt engineering.
जिसका दूसरा वर्ड स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट भी होता है.
Yeah.
जिस प्रकार से हम बोलते थे स्ट्रीट स्मार्ट,
Yeah.
अब ये प्रॉम्प्ट इंजीनियरिंग हो चुकी है.
Okay. Second
Second,
skill. Yeah.
Autonomous industry.
Autonomous industry.
Yes.
Okay.
The
Explain.
world is changing towards, again, driverless cars, pilot free aviation
Autopilots,
industry,
yeah,
autopilots,
yeah.
and many such more things.
Yeah.
If you are a person from the background of technology, you need to look upon these companies what they are working upon. I believe, in my consideration, the equal amount of role which a government has in shaping the future of a country, so does a lot of companies also, which are residing in those countries. Do check upon what they are doing, the new inventions and innovations that they are doing, and it is all shifting towards autonomous engineering. So if you happen to learn skill sets around it, this is a big industry altogether. Autonomous.
Industry.
Yes.
And the third skill.
And the third and the most largest is, which is happening right now, the Silicon Wave in our country.
Silicon Wave.
आपने Silicon Valley के बारे में सुना होगा?
Yeah, I've heard about it.
The way Apple, Oracle, Cisco, and many companies formed around that Bay Area in San Francisco, the world is now coming towards India. Probably going to happen in Hyderabad. Probably going to happen in cities like Pune and even Ahmedabad. The big players are coming to India and they're looking for a lot of people in the field of electronics, electrical. Silicon is nothing but a material that is used in a lot of chips that we use. Our mobile phone, our laptops, GPUs, CPUs, and all the PCB designings. There is going to be a huge demand just by 2030. In our upcoming 4 or 5 years, there will be a huge demand of people who are good at this. VLSI engineering, embedded coding, and all of such.
Oh, very well done.
ये 3 सेक्टर्स हैं जो मुझे लगता है बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट करने वाले हैं आने वाले 5 साल के अंदर.
Okay. I have one question. I have deep respect for what new startups are doing. People like Zerodha and I don't actually follow those guys, but then I listen to their stories on. I keep abreast with people like Nikhil Kamath and everyone. But मुझे एक चीज़ एज अ लेमैन जो समझ में नहीं आती है कि we are very good, and the Honorable Commerce Minister, Mr. Piyush Goyal, had told that we are very good in services sector, but where we lack is investment in technology. And why China has really transformed into a big superpower is because they invested in technology. What are your views, ki, in your opinion, as an entrepreneur? Because if I look at it, you are also into servicing sector. You are also providing services. You are not into manufacturing. In your opinion, if India has to become a Viksit Bharat by 2047, as per the Honorable Prime Minister of India, would you go for services, or would you say we need to invest in technology? I being a layman, I being from whatever background I am from, I would say go for technology. What are your views on services versus technology? आपकी क्या opinion है?
We need government and big bodies to invest in technology, and we need a lot of players, emerging players, to invest in service to leverage those technologies.
Explain. समझाओ मुझे.
The knowledge that I have, government has started investing a huge in technology, in research. Organizations like DRDO, ISRO, again IDSR, and many such more private institutes and government institutes. They're getting heavily funded.
But I would like to, government funded is okay. Government organizations are okay. I've seen them closely. I want how much private investment is going into technology. आपके पास, यानी, do you have some answer to कि are private players, big private players, investing into technology?
All the money that was initially deviated towards service sector from VCs and big HNIs have all shifted towards technology.
Really?
This is already happening.
It's happening.
It's hard time for service industry to raise funds anymore now.
Okay.
And it is all shifting towards technology.
So we are on the right track. यानी ठीक जगह पे जा रहा है भारत.
We are on the technology track. Do not know if this is going to be right.
You still don't think it is going to be right?
Because we need small players and other players to leverage this technology to reach it to masses. And this is where service industry also comes into picture. You cannot just eradicate and...
We are not eradicating. I am saying, मैं कहूँगा कि हम अपनी bifurcate कर रहे हैं. That's what I am trying to say.
हाँ,
so
the way आपने ये बताया कि जिस प्रकार से सारे अंडे एक बास्केट के अंदर नहीं होने चाहिए.
yeah.
We need to diversify our portfolio. We really need to put more eggs towards the technology. More.
Because मैं आपको सिंपल सी एक चीज बताऊंगा कि ड्रोन है, उसके विंग्स वियतनाम से आते हैं, उसका इंजन चाइना से आता है, बॉडी उसकी कहीं से आती है, असेंबल इंडिया में होता है. व्हेन हॉस्टिलिटीज, और जब दो देशों के बीच में थोड़े तनाव बढ़ता है, तो वो चिप बनाना बंद कर देगा, वो आपको विंग्स देना बंद कर देगा, तो आपका ड्रोन उड़ेगा ही नहीं. व्हाट आई एम सेइंग इज कि अगर सब कुछ इंडिया में प्रोड्यूस हो तो दैट टेक्नोलॉजी, इफ इट्स टोटली इन इंडिया, विल ग्रो बेटर. मेरा क्वेश्चन वो था.
अगर ये कुछ डिप्लोमेट्स, गवर्नमेंट बॉडीज या एनीबडी हु इज वाचिंग दिस नोज, मैंने एक रिसेंटली मूवी देखी थी वॉर डॉग्स नाम से.
वॉर डॉग्स.
वॉर डॉग्स.
ओके.
इट्स अ यूएस मूवी. इट्स अ हॉलीवुड मूवी. और उसमें मैंने एक चीज बहुत अच्छी फाइंडिंग ली थी कि जो ये यूएस की मिलिट्री होती है और यूएस के जो डिफेंस एजेंसीज होती हैं, दे पुट पब्लिकली अ लॉट ऑफ देयर रिक्वायरमेंट्स कि उनको ये सेट ऑफ चीज़ें चाहिए, इतने ग्रेडियंट्स चाहिए इस ग्रेड के, इतनी सारी चीज़ें चाहिए. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बीइंग पब्लिकली अवेलेबल टू अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल, अ लॉट ऑफ प्राइवेट पीपल स्टार्ट कमिंग एंड प्रिक्योरिंग देम. मेरा ये मानना है कि हमारी कंट्री में इंफॉर्मेशन इतनी publicly available nahi hai.
I don't think so. I don't believe in your view because I have served in procurement in the army headquarters. I have seen we give open, those are called as general services qualitative requirements. फौज भी private, यानी कि government also wants कि private players, यानी QRs दिए जाते हैं. But that is a different question altogether. We will not delve into it. I don't want to delve into it. But my point is कि योर टेक ऑन टेक्नोलॉजी, जैसे आपने बताया, मेरे को एक क्वेश्चन ये चाहिए था, आंसर चाहिए था because I am not aware of that part which you have brought out very clearly कि टेक्नोलॉजी में अब इन्वेस्टमेंट शुरू हो चुकी है एंड दैट इज वेयर वी वर हेडिंग फॉर ओके रतीक टेल मी कि यू हैव स्टार्टेड विद दिस स्टार्टअप आपने शुरू किया रेजिलियंस सैक्रिफाइस सब कुछ किया मैं आपकी एज फाउंडर एंड सीईओ ऑफ माय इक्वेशन की नेक्स्ट 5 years की व्हाट इज वेयर डू यू सी योर स्टार्टअप going and how are you going to transform the ed tech or skill tech landscape 5 साल में आप कहाँ पर होंगे कैसे how do you visualize yourself and your company moving ahead in the next 5 years
इन लास्ट 5 years हमने देखा कि एजुकेशन की कमियां क्या हैं, प्लेयर्स क्या ऑफर कर रहे हैं, गवर्नमेंट कैसे सपोर्ट कर रही है, what institutes are working upon and what are they offering.
okay
Now next 5 years are going to be a more exponential and lethal process of ours. In this last 5 years हमने बहुत steady steps लिए, हमने बहुत ही फूक के कदम रखे, अब हम थोड़ा विस्फोट करने वाले हैं.
यानी रिस्क
Not risk, since we have been now matured and we are clear about our working processes, we are doing some big initiatives now. From last 5 years हम सिर्फ और सिर्फ ऑनलाइन और वर्चुअली प्रेजेंट थे.
okay
We are now coming offline into multiple colleges.
very good
We are coming offline in manufacturing robots, as you mentioned previously. We have been working
Absolutely
upon
good.
that.
yeah I saw that yesterday yeah
Yes.
yeah
And what we're doing is that we're trying to build robots for educational purpose. There are
Okay.
robots for manufacturing. There are robots for automation. There are robots for different set of jobs that are to be done. We are building miniature version of those robots which are used in industry to give you a touch about चीजें चलती कैसे हैं, how does a robot function. रोबोट्स को रोबोटिक्स के बारे में, एआई के बारे में वर्चुअली सिर्फ सॉफ्टवेयर के थ्रू, सिमुलेशंस के थ्रू, हमारे पोर्टल्स के थ्रू समझाना काफ़ी नहीं है. हमें लगता था 2 साल पहले कि ये इनफ है, बट जितना हम इसके अंदर डीप डाइव कर रहे हैं हमें रियलाइज हो रहा है हमने कुछ किया ही नहीं है.
okay
We now want to not replace education system but become a very integral part of it. I really want to tie up, collaborate with a lot of colleges which we are receiving good response also from, to set up center of excellences, physical
Okay.
center of excellences, जहाँ पे हम हमारी customized laboratories with conventional laboratories को change करना चाहते हैं. This is what we
Very
are going
good.
to work upon.
okay
And our mission and vision are still the same, to change the ideology of people कि गली गली में इंजीनियर है से लेके गली गली में skilled इंजीनियर है. My target is towards employability, not employment. If you have employabilities, employment will come to you अपने आप से.
okay
That is what we are still doing
okay
and will be keep on doing until we achieve.
Very well done. So that's a great vision to have. Employability and employment. Yeah. Oh, it was यानी कि very heartfelt conversation with you, Ratik. मुझे काफ़ी चीज़ों के बारे में पता लगा and what I like the most is कि you are willing to take the risk and more importantly when you started you collected data. आपने अपनी लाइफ और अपनी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन माई क्वेश्चन के लिए डाटा कलेक्ट किया. नाउ यू हैव अ विजन इन विच यू आर एम्पावरिंग द कम्युनिटी एंड द कंट्री, जो कि बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है एज अ यंग एंटरप्रेन्योर बिकॉज नॉट मेनी पीपल. मनी इज वन पार्ट ऑफ इट. आई ऑल्सो वॉन्ट मनी, यू ऑल्सो वॉन्ट मनी. मनी, इकोनॉमिक्स, कमर्शियल्स आर वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू सस्टेन अ गुड लाइफ. एंड इवन अगर आपके पास मनी होगी, अगर आप फिलॉन्थ्रफी और आप नेशन बिल्डिंग या कम्युनिटी डेवलपमेंट करना चाहते हो तो भी आपको पैसा चाहिए ही चाहिए. इट वॉज अ वेरी, आई वुड से, candid and upfront conversation with you which I really enjoyed. And from my side, from Apex Conversation, the team which works over here with us, we would really like to thank you and for your time, giving us the thought what a young entrepreneur should look like, think and act like. Thanks a lot for coming it over. Before I end, viewers, Ratik has been, यानी कि बिल्कुल जर्नी स्क्रैच से शुरू करके ही इज बिल्डिंग हिज ब्रांड, and I wish him all the best for his future endeavors, and may this young man turn out to be the best entrepreneur in the whole world. And if he turns out to be the best entrepreneur in the whole world, it means India or Bharat will grow and we will be a superpower in the coming times. अगर आप लोग यंग हैं, अगर आप लोग seriously interested हैं, and if you are from engineering background, please remember 3 things which top skills in the next 5 years, 5 to 10 years, which should be your focus is prompt engineering, then is autonomous engineering, and then he has told about the silicon wave, which is going to, I think so it has already started, which is going to get proliferated even further. So thanks for watching. One more guest with us from a diverse field. बिल्कुल जैसे मैंने आपको बताया था, हम लोग डाइवर्स फील्ड से यंग अचीवर्स लेकर आएंगे. You can go on the net, search about My Equation, the owner, the co-founders, a great team they have, and keep on watching Apex Conversations. Keep on commenting on the conversations. Lot of things are going on Shivendra Kanwar channel and the Apex Conversations. Kindly like and subscribe, and the most important thing is kindly comment, because your comment is my motivation, our motivation of the team in Apex Conversations and Shivendra Kanwar. Have a nice day. Jai Hind. Have a blessed life. Thank you.